Where did you go this morning?
I went to the park near my house.
Who did you go to the park with?
I went there with my friends.
What do you like to do in the park?
I like to walk and enjoy the fresh air.
When do you usually visit the park?
I usually visit in the early morning.
How far is the park from your home?
It's about a 10-minute walk.
Who takes you to the park on weekends?
My father takes me every Sunday morning.
What do you see when you enter the park?
I see trees, flowers, and people exercising.
How do you feel when you visit the park?
I feel relaxed and happy in the park.
What do children do in the park?
They play on swings and slides.
Who maintains the park clean?
The gardeners and cleaners take care of it.
Where do you sit when you feel tired?
I sit on a bench under a big tree.
What do people usually do in the morning there?
They jog, walk, and stretch.
Who do you meet at the park?
I often meet my neighbors and friends there.
What kind of flowers do you see?
I see roses, marigolds, and lilies.
Where do children like to play most?
They like to play near the playground area.
How do you spend time at the park?
I walk, take photos, and relax.
What sound do you hear in the park?
I hear birds singing and children laughing.
Who waters the plants in the park?
The gardener waters them every day.
What do people bring to the park?
Some bring snacks, water, or a mat to sit on.
Where do people jog in the park?
They jog along the walking track.
What animals can you see there?
I can see squirrels and birds.
How long do you stay in the park?
I stay there for about an hour.
What do you wear when going to the park?
I wear comfortable clothes and shoes.
Who do you talk to in the park?
I talk to my friends or sometimes my neighbors.
Where do families sit together?
They sit on the grass under shady trees.
What do old people do in the park?
They walk slowly and talk with their friends.
How do you feel after walking in the park?
I feel fresh and full of energy.
What games do children play in the park?
They play tag, football, and hide and seek.
Who enjoys feeding birds in the park?
Many elderly people enjoy feeding them.
Where do you see the most flowers?
Near the fountain, there are many flowers.
What do you like most about the park?
I like the peaceful environment the most.
How do people keep the park clean?
They throw garbage in dustbins and avoid littering.
Who built the park near your house?
The city council built it for the community.
What do couples do in the park?
They walk together and enjoy nature.
Where do people sit to rest?
They sit on benches or on the grass.
What do you do before leaving the park?
I drink water and take one last walk around.
How do children spend their evenings there?
They play games and run around happily.
Who sells snacks near the park?
A vendor sells chips, ice cream, and drinks.
Where can you see the ducks?
The ducks swim in the small pond near the gate.
What do people do in the evening at the park?
They walk, talk, and watch the sunset.
How does the park look at sunrise?
It looks calm and bright with golden light.
Who teaches yoga in the park?
A yoga teacher guides people every morning.
What do people bring for exercise?
They bring yoga mats and water bottles.
Where do children ride bicycles?
They ride on the smooth paths inside the park.
How do you spend Sundays in the park?
I have a picnic with my family and relax.
What do you eat during picnics in the park?
We eat sandwiches, fruits, and chips.
Who plays music in the park?
Some people play soft music while exercising.
Where do you see the most trees?
Along the walking track, there are many trees.
How do you enjoy nature there?
I enjoy watching the trees and hearing birds.
What do families do together in the park?
They talk, eat, and play games together.
Who paints pictures in the park?
Some artists paint the scenery and flowers.
What time do you return from the park?
I return home around 7 in the morning.
Where can you find the playground?
It's near the back side of the park.
How do you capture memories of the park?
I take pictures of flowers and trees.
What smells do you notice there?
I smell fresh grass and blooming flowers.
Who plays football in the park?
Young boys play football every evening.
What do you love to watch in the park?
I love to watch kids playing and birds flying.
How do you go to the park every day?
I go there on foot because it's nearby.
Who plants new trees in the park?
The gardener plants new trees during spring.
Where do people drink water in the park?
There's a small water cooler near the gate.
How do you greet people in the park?
I smile and say good morning to them.
What do people do on rainy days?
They stay under shelters or avoid coming.
Who enjoys taking photos in the park?
Many visitors enjoy taking nature photos.
What do you see near the pond?
I see fish and ducks swimming happily.
How do you feel when the park is crowded?
I feel excited but prefer quiet mornings.
What do people wear while jogging?
They wear sports clothes and running shoes.
Who visits the park in the afternoon?
Children and mothers visit after school.
Where do you see butterflies?
I see them around the flower beds.
How do you relax in the park?
I sit quietly and listen to the birds.
What do you drink after walking?
I drink cool water to refresh myself.
Who teaches children about nature there?
Sometimes teachers bring school groups.
Where do you like to walk the most?
I like to walk near the big pond.
How do you spend time alone in the park?
I read a book or just enjoy the breeze.
What do you hear when the wind blows?
I hear the leaves rustling softly.
Who exercises with you in the park?
My friends join me for jogging and stretching.
What do you do when it gets hot?
I sit under a shady tree and rest.
Where do people play badminton?
They play near the open field area.
How do you describe your favorite park?
It's green, peaceful, and full of flowers.
What do old couples do in the park?
They sit together and watch the birds.
Who organizes morning walks in the park?
A local health group organizes them daily.
Where do people park their bicycles?
They park them near the main entrance.
How do you keep yourself active there?
I walk fast and do some stretching exercises.
What do you see in the sky at the park?
I see flying kites and white clouds.